What's up guys, welcome to my dream garage. Today I'm going to build the bathroom framing down there. I already laid down one of the metal, so we're not going to use any wood on inside this garage, so everything will be metal. So yeah, today we're going to build the bathroom. It will be 8 by 5. So the door will be around here. It is, I think, 30. Yeah, 30. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I need to clean down here before start and then bolt it in. I'm going to start from here and go down there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright guys, almost finished. So I need to buy more of, I don't know the name of it, but I got it 10 more. So I'm going to add 2 over here. I'm going to double this one more like this one over here. I double this guy over here, so I'm going to double the one over there, and then I'm going to put one over there, and then I have to put over here for the door. So the whole thing is 8 feet. So I'm going to add, I don't know how much it is, but I'm going to add that one over there. It's all done. I would say it's hard, I don't know, it depends. Over there I did a mistake and I fixed it and it drill again. Yeah, almost there. So I got the bolts for the white bolts, here they are. And then I'm going to finish tomorrow outside, and then I can return this scissor lift. Tuesday they will come and take it. It's almost 1 month, so before 1 month I finished it, so that's good. So today I'm going to finish this one. Yeah, I'll make it maybe ready and finish it tomorrow. I didn't bolt it on this side, only I did bolt inside, and then I need some spacer down here to hold it, otherwise no level. If I put it like this, level, so I'm going to add some steel around here and I bolt it in. It will stay there like that. On that side too I need spacer because of I used that one, so there's a gap down here, so almost 1.5, something like that. Down there 2, up there. So let us work now. I just did time lapse, so I hope you enjoyed that one. It's not that much long video, I think, this video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright guys, this was the next day. So I think on this side, over there it needs to be changed. This one need to be the same like that. It needs to be turned this way. So over there I have to change it, I think, somehow. But for now I'm going to leave it like this and see what happens. But for sure it needs to be changed, otherwise over here there's one more gap. So if I turn it, it will be correct. So now it's not correct. But for now I'm going to leave it like this and see what happens. So I'm going to bolt it, everything. I might change it maybe tomorrow. I have to cut it over here and I flip it that way. And then yeah, I need to add one more over here, I guess. Then we'll find out. I don't know if I do that, the whole thing needs to be changed. I think you need to do that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright guys, all done. I finished the toilet framing. I didn't record that much. I did record a little bit, but I have to adjust some stuff around here. I just adjust this one. It was not like this before, so I adjusted. I never worked this kind of stuff. I would say it's not that much hard, but if you work on it before, it's easy. I never built a building like this before. It was tricky. If you work on it, this kind of stuff, it's easy for you guys. But for me, I learned some stuff. When you make a mistake, you always learn. So I did learn all the time. When I have a mistake, I learn. So yeah, I finished this one framing. This weekend there will be inspector come and see everything. And then after the inspector, what will happen? I need to put the I don't decide yet what I'm going to do, but I'm going to put a I'm not going to put a sheet metal. It's expensive. If not, maybe that one. I don't know if I'm doing that one because it's not smooth. If I got smooth one, maybe I'm going to put that one, but I'm not sure. But I'm going to put a different kind of. I forget the name of it. I don't use it that much every day. I'm going to put a drywall, I think so. The fireproof, there's a fireproof. That one, it's a little bit expensive maybe, but I'm going to put that one all the way. I'm going to put the roof too, but I don't think so I will go, yeah, I think I will do the whole roof. So, and I need to, I don't know how much light I need. I think I'm going to put 6. Each row there is 3. We'll see. I'm not sure. That one's different video. I'll explain everything on there. So the doors, their order, it will be here 2 weeks later. But this video I don't know when I'm going to post it. So the frame is all done. I welded each side. There's 2 brackets and now it's rigid. Doesn't move anything. This one is my first time building a garage. So if there's a manual still, but it's not easy one. And family members helped me, thanks for that, and friends, thanks for that. If you watched this video, thank you so much for helping me. This frame is all done. It was a little bit hard, I'll say. I never built it, but I finished it. I just some steel over here, all done. Yeah, so this weekend, maybe next week, I'm going to pick the door. This video I don't know when I'm going to post it, so I need to make the trailer and my truck ready. That video will be posted soon before this video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and write your comment down below.